Hello 7th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We were discussing about the worksheet 3 of operations on rational numbers. This worksheet is on a multiplication, isn't it? Now coming to the 7th sum, simplify and express the results in the standard form. So first it is a minus 4 into ब्रैकेट के अंदर it is a subtraction. So for subtraction, what is the method? If the denominator is not same, we have to see the LCM. Take the LCM. So you put the square bracket 3 and 10. What is the LCM? It is 30. बड़ा number 10 है. 10 3 is a 30 because 10 के table में ending with the 0. So 7 numerator का 7 लिखो, multiply by 3 how much is 30? 3 10s are 30 minus 9 into 10 how much is 30? 10 3s are 30. Bracket close. Now minus 4 write as it is. Within the bracket 7 10s are. It is 70 minus 9 3s are 27 upon 30. So you got minus 4 into 10 minus 7, 3. Now 6 is remaining. 6 minus 2 is 4 upon 30. Now multiplication, that means cancellation. 4 and 30. 2 2s are 4. 2 15s are 30. Now cancellation is not there. So minus plus minus 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8 upon 15. So it is minus 86 upon 15. Is it okay? Now coming to the second sum, it is a 7 by 3 into, within the bracket it is addition. So here 3 means what? 3 by 1. So see the LCM 8 and 1. What will be the LCM? It is 8. So 9 into 8 1s are 8 plus 3 into 1 8s are 8. So is it clear? Now multiply 7 by 3 into 9 1s are 9 plus 3 8s are 24 upon 8. It will be 7 by 3 into 9 plus 24. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 plus 2, 3 and 8. So is there any cancellation? 7 and 3 not there. 7 and 8 not possible. 3 1s are, 3 11s are. So you get the answer. Both are positive. 7 11s are 77. 1 8s are 8. Is it clear? Now coming to the third sum, it is a addition. Within the bracket addition. That is first solve this first and then multiply. Now addition, you have to look for the LCM, isn't it? So 3 and 7, what is the LCM? Bada number 7 hai. So 7 1s are 7, not there. 7 2s are 14, not there. 7 3s are 21. Otherwise both are prime numbers. Directly 21. 7 3s are 21. Now numerator is minus 4 into 3 how much are 27? 3 7s are 21. Now numerator is 5. 7 how much are 21? 7 3s are 21 into 7 by 9. Same, but addition is first. Okay, now solve this. Minus plus minus 4 7s are 28 plus 5 3s are 15 upon 21 into 7 by 9. Wherever I have put the brackets there, you also put the bracket, then only it will be easy. Now minus plus means different signs, look for the difference. So this is a 28 is bigger, so minus sign. 8 minus 5, 3, 2 minus 1, 1 upon 21. Now multiply by 7 by 9. Now 7 and 21 can be cancelled. 7 1s are, 7 3s are. We can't cancel here onwards. So minus plus multiplication, different signs minus. 13 1s are 13, 3 9s are 27. So the answer is minus 13 by 27. Now coming to the fourth sum. Here it is subtraction and then multiplication. So the same method, 4 and 20, different denominators, take the LCM. So LCM will be 20, isn't it? Bigger number, 21s are 20. 4 in 4 table, 4 5s are 20. So 4 5s are 20 minus 6 21s are into 8 by 11. Now it is 5 5s are 25 minus 6 1s are 6 upon 20 into 8 upon 11. Now 25 minus 6 means 15 minus 6 is 9. 1 remains upon 20. 8 by 11. Now 8 and 20. 4 2s are 8. 4 5s are 20. 19 2s are 38. 5 11s are 55. Hope everyone is understanding. सबको समझ में आया होगा. That is simplify and convert to the lowest term. So that was the question number 7. Now coming to the question number 8. It is fill in the blanks. बहुत easy है लेकिन समझ के करने का है ना. Silly mistakes मत करो. Fill in the blanks. So it is a minus 4 by 7 into how much is minus 4 by 7. Already properties में हम discuss किए हैं. Same number, same sign. Then it is multiply by 1. When the rational number is multiplied by 1, the rational number remains the same. But see to it that the sign also it is same. Now here 3 by 8 into dash is equal to minus 3 by 8. See, number is okay 3 by 8, but here it is plus, here it is minus. So here we have to put minus 1. Why? Positive, here negative. So positive, negative, the answer will be negative. So that's why give importance to the signs also. Now third, only see the missing number. Minus 1 by 3, here it is not there. 4 by 5, it is there. 6 by 7, it is there. So minus 1 by 3. Multiplication arrangement is different, that's all. Now coming to that is associative property. Hope you remember. 5 by 3, 5 by 3. Minus 7 by 8, not there. 11 by 3, it is there. So it will be minus 7 by 8. Next, even this is associative property, 3 numbers. Now coming to the question number 5, 3 by 7, not there. Minus 6 by 11, it is there. So 3 by 7. So 2 numbers order is changed, that is commutative property. Now rational number 4 by 3 into something is 0. When the product will be 0? If one of the number is 0. Now coming to the 7th sum, you have to understand a little bit. For any rational number x, x into 5 is equal to x plus how many times you are adding x. So for that, we'll understand x into 5 means 5x. That means x you are adding 5 times. Yes or no? When you add x 5 times, we say 5x. So you are adding x how many times? 5 times. Hope you have understood. 5 in x into 5 means 5x. That is x added 5 times. Now coming to 2 by 3 into 7 by 5 minus 2 by 9 is equal to 2 by 3 into 7 by 5 minus 2 by 3 into 2 by 9. Which property is it? Distributive property. First number into the second number minus first number into the third number. First number is common for second and third. है ना? So then it is called as a distributive property. Now the same method, but it is reversed. Minus 7 by 5 into 1 by 3 plus minus 5 by 7 into 1 by 6 is equal to minus 5 by 7. See, minus 5 by 7 is common. तो आपको चाहिए तो ऐसे ग्रुपिंग करके ले लो. So this is one group, this is one group. Now minus 5 by 7 is common for both. So first में क्या बचा? 1 by 3 प्लस इधर प्लस. अभी इधर ये ग्रुप में क्या बचा? 1 by 6. Hope you understood. Reverse of this. So minus 5 by 7 is common in both the groups. Take it out. Put multiplication sign. What is the next number in it? Uncommon 1 by 3. लिखो, इधर का प्लस साइन डालो. इधर minus 5 by 7 को बाहर लेंगे तो क्या बचा? 1 by 6. Now coming to the last sum. 4 by 7 into 2 by 3 minus 4 by 7 into 5 by 6. Same as this, but instead of plus we are having minus. So if you want, put the bracket. Now in both these, which is common? 4 by 7. It's taken out. Put multiplication sign. It is common for both. So what is the other number here? 2 by 3. और इधर है माइनस साइन. ये ग्रुप में क्या एक्स्ट्रा है? 4 by 7 को बाहर लिया. So it is 5 by 6. So 4 by 5 is common for 2 by 3 minus 5 by 6. Is it okay? So we have completed the multiplication sums, multiplication of rational numbers. Hope you have understood all the sums. You are confident about this topic. So we have completed addition, subtraction and multiplication of rational numbers. Okay? Thank you. Bye.